Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off emergency alerts, for example from your government on your iPhone, and it's pretty simple to do. So first of all, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below and like this video. And now to turn off those emergency alerts, all you have to do is go to your settings, scroll down until you see notifications, go here. And now you're just gonna scroll down at the very bottom. And right here you can see government alerts. This is Amber alerts, alert level 2, alert level 3. So basically you have to turn all of them off to not get the government alerts anymore. And if you are not, if you don't see those alerts at your phone, just update your phone, go to the software updates and update your phone. Sometimes on other versions of the updates, there's no government alerts. So yeah, if this video was helpful, guys, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.